Hello everyone, welcome back. Wow, I'm so happy to see you again. Thanks for joining me today. I guess you joined me because you want to study Lesson 8. Is that right? I think it is. That's right, we're looking at math together, and today is Lesson 8. What's our title? Our title is Division as a Fraction. Division as a fraction. We've been talking about division, right? Yes, you remember? Well, now we're going to look at division as a fraction. Ooh, sounds interesting. It is. But first, before we study, of course, we have to look at our key expressions. We have 5 key expressions today. Please listen and repeat after me. Practice saying the key expressions. Number 1, division can be written as a fraction. Division can be written as a fraction. Number 2, a fraction is a part of a whole number. A fraction is a part of a whole number. Number 3, 1 over 2 represents the fraction a half. 1 over 2 represents the fraction a half. Key expression number 4. The numerator is the top part of a fraction. The numerator is the top part of a fraction. And key expression number 5. The denominator appears on the bottom of a fraction. The denominator appears on the bottom of a fraction. Okay, very good. Those are the 5 key expressions. Please listen closely. You'll hear them again during the lecture. Speaking of the lecture, let's go there right now. Okay, welcome back everyone. Here we are at the chalkboard. Are you ready to study a little more? Excellent. Our topic today, our lesson title is Division as a Fraction. Division as a fraction. That means division can be a fraction. Division is a fraction. Division can be written as a fraction. That's right. A division question can also be written as a fraction. Let's take a look at an example here. Here we have a division question, right? We have seen these before. 8 divided by 2. This is a division question. Notice the sign divided by. We often write division questions this way. But we can also write division as a fraction. Let me show you. Eight divided by 2 is the same as 8 over 2. 8 over 2. This is a fraction. So division can be written as a fraction. 8 divided by 2 equals 8 over 2. 8 over 2. What is a fraction? Well, a fraction is part of a whole number. A fraction can be part of a whole number, or it can represent a number. Let's look at another example. Let's look at a very common fraction. 1 over 2, 1 over 2. 1 over 2, one line, 1 over 2, represents the fraction a half. A half. This means 1/2 or a half. 1 over 2. Now, when we look at fractions, we need to learn some key words. A fraction has two numbers, one on the top and one on the bottom. What do we call them? I'll show you. The number on the top is called the numerator. The numerator is the top part of a fraction. In this fraction, the number 1 is the numerator. What about the bottom part? The bottom part is called the denominator. Numerator, denominator. Numerator, denominator. The denominator appears on the bottom of a fraction. So in the fraction 1/2, the number 1 is the numerator. The number 2 is the denominator. In the fraction 8 over 2, 8 would be the numerator, 2 would be the denominator. 8 on the top, 2 on the bottom. Do you want to look at one more example? Three over 4. 3 over 4. This, of course, means 3 divided by 4. Division can also be written as a fraction. 3 over 4, or 3/4. 3/4. Which number is the numerator? Ding, 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 ding. Very good. The number 3 is on top, so the number 3 is the numerator. What do we call the number 4 here? Very good. The number 4 is the denominator. Numerator, denominator. Fraction. Okay. Great work, everyone. Excellent job. We learned about fractions today. Let's go review together before we end the lesson. Well, what did we learn today? We learned a lot of great things, of course. We learned about division as a fraction. We learned that division can be written as a fraction. For example, if we say 8 divided by 2, we can also say 8 over 2. 8 over 2 is a fraction, meaning 8 divided by 2. A fraction is part of a whole number. Now, another fraction, a very common fraction that we looked at was 1 over 2. 1 over 2 means a half. 1 over 2 represents the fraction a half. 1/2. We also learned two important words about fractions. Numerator and denominator. The numerator is the top part of a fraction. In the fraction 1/2, the numerator is the 1. The denominator appears on the bottom of a fraction. Therefore, in the fraction 1/2, 1/2, the 2 is the denominator. 1 top numerator, 2 bottom denominator. That's division as a fraction. Great work, everyone. Keep reviewing and keep tuning in. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.